how are you? I hope you people are safe. Today I came back with a brand new makeup tutorial in my YouTube channel. I know I'm a little late this time, but trust me guys, I'm trying my level best to be as fast as possible. So today I have created this super colorful rainbow eye makeup and I hope you can see all the Vivjo colors on my eyelid. So this is summer and summer is all about the power of sun, and we know that sunlight consists all the 7 colors of rainbows. So I thought this kind of fruity multicolor eye makeup will absolutely go with the season. So before we start the tutorial, the new people who are watching, you can definitely subscribe my channel and you can hit the bell icon to get notified with all my new videos. I am prepping my skin with the Himalaya Clarifying Toner. Today I wanted to skip the moisturizer. That's why I have applied this moisturizing toner. Today I'll be applying Inglot AMC Concealer as the eye base. I have skipped this eyebrow tutorial because I have showed it several times in the other videos. This Inglot Concealer is a very oil finish, full coverage sort of concealer. It's a medium weight concealer, yet your eyelid will feel hydrated because of the oily formulation. I am setting my concealer with the Fine Finish Makeup Forever pressed powder. Eye base setting is completed. Now let's start putting the colors. I have applied this yellow color from this beautiful Beauty Glazed Color Studio palette. If you are continuously watching my videos on my channel, you can see that how many times I have used this palette. And now it's time for green, and I am applying this green color on my eyelid. Every time I am applying the another transition color, with the completion of applying, then I am blending the harsh line every time. Now it's time for the blue color, and I am applying this beautiful blue color on my eyelid. Let me tell you one thing, this is a little bit risky work because yellow is the primary color and the green and blue is the secondary color. If you mix yellow with green, it creates blue, and if you mix yellow with blue, it creates green. After applying these 3 colors, I have taken a blending brush to blend the upside. Now it's time for the bright pink. Though the Color Studio palette has the pink, but I like this queen color from Juvia's Masquerade palette. Now it's time for orange, and I have gone back with the Color Studio palette. And I'm blending every time when I'm applying any color on my eyelid. Now let's come on the outer corner of my eye. I have taken this beautiful deep purple color from this Juvia's Masquerade palette. I am applying Dermacol 218 shade on my eyelid, that the concealer can touch the highest point of the crease, and according to the mark we can cut the crease. Today I'll do the half cut crease, so I have finished the cut crease on the 70% on my eyelid. Now I have started applying yellow color, then I have come to green and then blue. I have applied all the colors one after another and blending simultaneously. You can see that I am not applying all the colors on the full eyelid. I am leaving a gap between crease and lid. And on the outer corner, I am blending this blue color with the purple color. Now I will put Swiss Beauty Metallic eyeshadow on the gap which I have left in between crease and lid. I'm sorry that I forgot to show the product on the video, but I'm showing the picture and the shade here, and I promise you that I will definitely show this product in another video. Here comes my favorite kohl pencil Faces Kajal. I'm applying it only on the upper waterline, as I will wear eyelashes later and I don't want to make my upper eyelashes heavy. That's why I'm wearing Maybelline Colossal Mascara, which is a super black lightweight mascara. And sorry again for the less focused clip. Today I have used MAC Prep Plus Prime Primer. It's a sample pack gifted by Nykaa, and you will get the full size available on Nykaa too. Today I won't wear a spot corrector concealer because I wanted to show the tremendous coverage of this foundation. This is Inglot HD foundation. My shade is 77, I'm NC 35. So you can buy the product according to your shade. This is a very high coverage foundation, and if you don't have such deep dark pigmentation problem, or if you have some light spots on your face, so you can directly go with the foundation to make your makeup base. As usual, I am blending this foundation with the PAC Pink Beauty Blender. I'm leaving the under eye area because I'm gonna use Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to highlight my under eye. This is one of the best concealer I have used. If you want to correct your skin spots with it, you can buy the shade which matches with your skin tone and you can conceal your spot with the same concealer. Now I am setting all my cream products on my skin with the Makeup Forever Pressed Translucent Powder. This translucent powder is a must-have powder for the HD foundation. It blends with the foundation so well and it helps to maintain the HD glow on your skin. Now let's finish the eye makeup. Firstly, I have put yellow in the inner corner of my under eye. Then I have put orange on the center part and then blue on the outer corner. I am blending the edge part of the blue with the bright pink color and blending the whole outer corner with the deep purple color. Now you can see the full eye makeup. Now I am applying Swiss Beauty Metallic Kajal Silver. It's a pretty nicely pigmented kajal within the affordable range. I want to make my lower lashes a little heavy. That's why I'm applying L'Oreal Lash Superstar Mascara. One side it has the eyelash primer and on the opposite side it has the mascara. It gives a good volume to your eyelashes and at the same time it makes it sturdy. Ever since I have started bridal makeup, I'm using this palette. This is my 4th palette. This is Makeup Revolution Contour Palette. You can get 4 different shades here for 4 different skin tones. There are a lot of product variety in the Indian market right now. Though I feel we still don't have the required variety of bronzer or bronzing palettes in India. Now I'm using Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice blush palette and I have taken this baby pink color to make my cheeks blush. Here comes one of my favorite highlighter, which is PAC Baked Highlighter. The shade is a little bit on the whitish silver side. Here you can see my eye makeup is so bright and warm. So somewhere I feel this whitish highlighter will tone down the overall face brightness. And I'm setting my makeup with my favorite MAC setting spray. I am not being able to show the lipstick because the shade I have taken from the Smashbox sample lippies which has been gifted by Nykaa and the shade is Rebel Glam. And now after wearing PAC Mink 73 eyelashes with the PAC eyelash glue, now my makeup look is totally completed. You can see the rainbow colors on my eyes. And I think this whole looks is going with this lipstick and with the dress color. So let me coming back with the open here and a little bit posing in front of you. You guys are my inspiration and you all know that well. Every time I see my small YouTube channel is growing, I feel so happy and so excited. And every time I see the comments you people give on my videos, my happiness gets doubled up. I always try to solve your problems and fulfill your demands. So I request you guys to give me more and more ideas and share your problems you're having. Feel that a makeup guide called Boishakhi will always be there for you. And I promise you that I will try my level best always to solve your problems. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and you can copy this link and share with your friends on Facebook, or let me tell you the best way. And here is my Facebook page link and you can follow me there too. And this is my Insta handle. Links are given on the description box. Then if you want to connect with me, or if you want to DM me, or you may have the requirement of bridal makeup also, you can definitely follow me there. I gave all the product names and links on my description below. So if you are planning to recreate this look, don't forget to use this hashtag. So very soon I am coming up with my next video on this YouTube channel. So see you on the next video, and till then, tata.